Where are we going?
We're going to Barcelona, baby. Hey guys, so here we go. We arrived to Barcelona and we start directly with a big monument, which is
La Sagrada Familia.
built.
We're starting hot.
So we are taking you with us. Let's enter. Roman Catholic Church located in the heart of Barcelona. La Sagrada Familia is the most popular touristic attraction in Barcelona with millions of visitors every year. The glass windows are composed of 1,000 of pieces of glass, each individually crafted to create a mosaic of vibrant colors and intricate patterns, designed to tell stories from the Bibles and various scenes from the life of Jesus Christ. Impressive.
It is impressive.
The glasswork serves to illuminate the interior of the basilica with natural light, providing a unique and ever-changing atmosphere.
The amount of colors and the amount of details is out of the world. It's amazing.
La Sagrada Familia was designed by the architect Antonio Gaudi. It is still in construction since 1882 and the estimated completion date is 2026.
So, honest opinion, it's really impressive, like all the work and the details and the colors. It's unique. It's a unique building. But 26 euros, and you don't even have access to the tower. You have access only to the
The main hall.
and the museum.
And not only that, when you buy the ticket, you need to download an application. They send you a notification saying, "Hey, do you want to donate to us?" I already paid you 26 euros just to enter.
It's an impressive work. Well, it's our opinion. You can do your own opinion with the videos that we just passed. Let's now go to another monument. So guys, we arrived to Sant Hospital, which is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and since 2013 a light show takes place in the courtyard of this building to celebrate the art and the architecture of the Art Nouveau period. So it runs for several weeks every year, usually during the winter month, and this year the theme is the universe of the light, which explores the mysteries of the cosmos. So let's go! Wow, thank you guys saw in the video, but it was amazing.
Really good.
Really so beautiful. Like
That's 26 euros ever.
we spent like almost 2 hours there because we were recording and stuff, doing a lot of pictures, playing with the lights. But now it's time to find a place to eat because we are super hungry.
Wait, I think we're gonna eat tapas.
Yeah, I want to eat tapas because we're in Spain. We're gonna taste the food of the country. So food is part of the culture too. We're gonna try to find a tapas place. I hope it's not too late, but I think Spanish people, they eat late. We keep you updated. So we find a restaurant that is doing only tapas.
The name is Sagrada Familia. They have like 2.5 thousand reviews in Google, and it's like 4.9 stars. The menu looks good. We order a lot of stuff,
Yeah.
and we also order sangria.
So we're gonna tell you if it's good or not.
Sangria? Sangria. So we got chicken, cheese croquettes, eggplant chips, patatas bravas, pan con tomate, chicken strip with mayonnaise, and this is croquetas de pollo. The croquettes are good.
Everything's good. Varieties for now.
Best eggplant chips that I have ever tried.
Hey, do something for you.
A really good taste. Chicken, good. This, just the bottom of the baguette with tomatoes.
We didn't told you about the restaurant yesterday because we were so tired. So we arrived and we fell asleep. But it was really good. It was really good.
That I ever had, like for real.
Yeah, I recommend 100%.
Yeah.
The eggplant chips, oh my god.
The eggplant chips was the best thing that we had the entire restaurant.
But yeah, really good. No regrets. Like good choice of restaurants. It was not like a touristic restaurant. A lot of Spanish people. It was really fast and really good. So perfect. Okay, so guys, day 2 in Barcelona.
It looks amazing. It's bullshit. It's for you. We made it to the crazy park.
Oh my god.
I'm dead. Let's see if this thing's worth it.